Hello, we are going to conduct an experiment to find the densities of irregular and regular objects. Now, we are going to find the mass of both the pebble and irregular object and the notepad, a regular object, since we need to divide mass by volume in order to find the density of the object. We recorded the two masses of the objects for future reference when we find the density of the objects. This will enable us to divide mass by volume easier, as we would not need to spend time on remembering the values. It will also make our results more accurate. We are going to find out the volume of the notepad using length times breadth times height. As you can see, the length is 7.5 cm. The height is 1 cm and the breadth is 7.5 cm. Write down the equation so you would not forget the values. In order to find the volume of the stone, we will use a displacement can and a measuring cylinder. Next, we will fill the can with water until water begins to flow out of the funnel. Wait until all excess water has flowed out before dropping the stone into the water. Drop the stone into the water and place the measuring cylinder under the funnel to catch the water when it drops out. Wait until all displaced water has flowed out. The volume of the displaced water is 21 cm3. Hence, the volume of the stone is 21 cm3. In order to find the volume of the notepad, we will type the length, breadth and height of the notepad into a calculator. The volume of the notepad is hence 56.25 cm3. We recorded the volume of the stone for future reference. We wrote down the formula for finding density, mass divided by volume. Write down the mass and volume of the stone. Divide the mass of the stone by its volume to find the density of the stone. Find the value using a calculator. The value received is an irrational number. Hence, we corrected the value to 3 significant figures. Divide the mass of the notepad by the volume in order to find the notepad's density. The value received is an irrational number. Hence, round off to 3 significant figures. The rounded off value is now 0.763. Found the density of pure gold by researching on Google. The density is 19 grams per cm cube. First, find an object made of gold. Find the density of the object using mass divided by volume. Mass of the object using a weighing scale, and find the volume using the water displacement can, using a measuring cylinder and a displacement can. If the density matches that of pure gold, the object is made of pure gold. If it does not, find the difference, and therefore you will be able to estimate how much gold there really is in the item.
Okay, you can start.